Incremental greetings, this is Guillem Palau, also known as William Palace. So just today I stumbled across this issue that I have one topic. It's not a topic template, it's an item template. As you can see, that's the Q&A. So I messed up, but I didn't do it now. I messed up in the past and now today I become aware of it. So I will take this opportunity to show you how can you modify all the templates, because usually you go to the parent, the ancestor, open the browser, modify the template and so on. But this is only useful for this particular branch. But maybe I have this template in other, the template called article picture in other places. I think that was built in. My issue, if I go to my registry, is that I have article picture with a space and article picture without a space. So that's the one I want, without the space, not this one. So now the question is, how can I grab all possible topics that have this item template? So just as I did, you go to templates. In this case, I select the one I want, article space picture. And now if you notice list, those are all the items that you have. As you can see judging by the name, the number, that's very at the beginning, when I was really a newbie at SuperMemo. And now I didn't notice, but I have been using this template in some articles, in some topics. Right now, as you can see, it's close to 100,000. So what I need to do is as easy as going to browse. And this equals what you will do when clicking on the ancestor in the knowledge tree. So now I have 82. Well, I was expecting more. Okay. So now I 100% positive. Let's see if the first rep. Yeah, that's from August when I started. And recently, yeah, that's from some days ago, which is when I become aware of this. So it's as easy as going here and select, not this one, but without the space. Accept. And that will be it. Okay, I did notice that I converted one item as well. So now the question is, since I cannot undo what I did, and the only option will be restoring a backup, is there a possibility of getting those topics, those items that now have a topic template? The answer is yes. So let's go again. Templates, article picture, list, even though it goes to the browser, because there are so many. Okay, and now I filter by only topics, only items, sorry. So now I filter for only items, and here you go. That's the misnomer, that's the item I didn't want it to convert. Whoops, let me close that. It's this one. Since, as you can see now, it looks weird. Since it's only one, I can do it individually. So it's Ctrl-Shift-M, and I think that will be item picture. Item. Oh my god, I have the same with space. I have duplicate. And accept it. And done. So the lesson learned is that you go to templates, you go to browse, and then you filter. If it's a topic template, filter only topics. If it's an item template, filter only items. Yeah, that's it. And now if we go here, templates and article picture, it will be empty. Nice. So what I can do is getting rid of it. And as simple as that.